How to create a folder in Google Drive. Does your Google Drive need file organization? Organizing your files is essential for keeping your digital workspace tidy and efficient, and Google Drive makes it incredibly easy to do just that. Whether you're managing personal documents, school projects, or work files, creating folders will help you stay organized and find what you need quickly. So, let's dive in and get started. Open the Google Drive app. Then click on the New button here. In the window, press the folder icon. Enter the name of the folder in the field. You can combine letters, numbers, and emojis. Then press Create. And your folder is created. Now you can add items to the folder and organize your Google Drive documents. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe for more digital tips.